Hacking means going into someone else's computer or phone without asking them. Hackers can hack to take personal stuff, money, secrets, or make trouble. Some hackers are just looking for fun or attention, while others are selfish or have a plan. Hacking can use different tricks, such as making people click on bad links or files, guessing passwords or codes, or using software that finds the system's weak points. Hacking can hurt anyone who uses a computer or a phone, so it is important to protect yourself by using strong passwords, antivirus software, and encryption. Hacking is not always wrong, though. Some hackers use their skills to help security or fix problems in software. These hackers are called ethical hackers or white hat hackers. They hack with permission and tell their findings to the owners of the system. Hacking can be both a fun game and a serious danger in the digital world.